Okay, look at the sweat from outside. Let's see. So juicy. I was trying to cook them yesterday, but it started raining. I was trying to wait for the sun to calm down so that way it won't be too hot outside. But as soon as the sun calmed down, then the rain started thundering and all that stuff. It's hot right now. As y'all see, the sun is shining on this glistening chocolate. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start it now. It's hot, but I'm gonna get this out the way. So I cut the steaks in half, if I didn't mention that, because they was kind of like too thick for me. And now I got 4 pieces out of them. Look at that. And they're still thick, like me. And these are the lamb chops. They're so tiny. They was like 20 bucks at Sam's. I knew they was gonna come tiny because 20 bucks, I usually pay $43 for them. But this is like one of the thickest ones. I don't know, but it's all gonna work out because the fact that I got 2 meats and I'm making a baked potato and I got some collard greens, so I'm good. So here I'm gonna make the sauce for the lamb chops. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter. I put a little bit of olive oil in there. Also gonna add in some garlic, a little bit of brown sugar, and some Worcestershire sauce. More. And some honey. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit, then I'm gonna add the honey in. I just add the honey. Actually my first time cooking lamb chops on the grill, so I'm looking forward to this. So like I said, this is my first time cooking the lamb chops on the grill. I know it's going to come out good. Then I'm gonna put the sauce on it that I made on the stove, and yeah, and right now we're just going to close it and let it do what it does. What I'm about to do, y'all, is I'm about to put the sauce on my lamb chops. Let's put this over here for now and turn them over. Let's see how this is going. Okay, y'all, it's hot as heck out here. I'm gonna have to take all this in the house and bite into it because I'm hot. I can't do it no more, okay? Look at this steak and look at this lamb chops. They are so juicy. Look at that. See the juices right here? Look at that. All the juices. Look at this piece. Look at that piece. Look at that. Just pull it. Just pull it. Uh-huh. Look at that. Nice and tender. That's the piece I'm gonna eat. Okay, look at the sweat from outside, just cooking all up under here. That's why I said I gotta come in and taste this. I'm not gonna be outside with all this. It's too hot. So, let's see. Lamb chop. I like mine like this. With a little crust, a little burnt to it. With a little bit of fat. Pretty good. Since this is my first time cooking it on a grill, I would prefer having them on a grill any day. This is better than cooking in the oven and on top of the stove. I like this. I like this. So juicy. Bye, y'all.